Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. You got a Chevy Sonic or a Daewoo product with an Ecotech 1.8 engine and you're doing a timing belt and you don't have that special tool to lock the cams. Watch this video. I'll show you a little Yankee ingenuity. Hold on. Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So I'm going back together with this timing belt job on this 2016 Chevy Sonic. It's basically a Daewoo. It's got the Ecotech 1.8 liter motor. So these cam lock holders I have, universal cam lock holders, are absolutely useless for this application. So there is a special tool for this application to hold these cams in position. They wedge between each cam. But what I did was I came up with this idea, okay? So what I did was I took a piece of angle iron with Torx bits, T55 Torx bits actually, and what I did was I welded them to this piece, 6-inch piece of angle iron that I cut out. Now what I did was I put them in position, put this in position like this. I used needle nose vice grips, locked it in, pulled it back off the vehicle, welded it off the vehicle, and put it back on. But it worked perfectly. If you need to do this, you're in a bind. Hopefully it'll help you out. And maybe I'll just go out and buy a couple more bits and just use this as my special tool for this job from now on. Anyway, hope this may have helped you out of a bind. Like and subscribe, and make sure you follow all of the instructions on timing belt replacement for this vehicle like you should. Anyway, until next time, have a good night.